Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to thread your needle and how to do a whip stitch on your page and a running stitch as well. So first, to thread the needle, you want to cut your thread nice and clean and then push it through the tip, which is called the eye of the needle, just like that. Pull it down so it's about halfway. You only want to measure out about a yard of thread. If you do too much more than that, it will get knotted up on you. So I'm going to go ahead and tie a double knot at the very end. So there's one. I'm going to do that again. So I'm going to loop through twice, sometimes 3 times. So there's one, there's 2. We'll just go 3 times to make sure it's nice and big. Okay, there's my knot. Alright, so a whip stitch is definitely the easiest. So I'm going to do a whip stitch along the bottom edge here. Okay, so I'm going to start from underneath. I'm going to go ahead and poke my hole through and pull my thread all the way to the end. Now I'm just going to come back around, try to keep my holes nice and in line. Basically, a whip stitch is like you're just whipping the thread around and around and around. Sometimes it's easier if you actually pre-mark your holes. That will make it nice and even for you. Alright, so that is a whip stitch right there. You could go all the way around the edge of the border, but the most common is the running stitch. So the running stitch would start like this. We would also tie a knot in the back. Let me come back up on the side. Okay, so the running stitch goes like this. You're just going to go in through the top and then back up. Back in. And back up. Now you could actually stitch on your letters. You could stitch a border around one of your photos. It's also stitching on the back side as well, so make sure these don't get tangled as you're going. Alright, when you're done, you want to tie a knot at the end. So how I do that is I go through with my needle, maybe twice or 3 times, and then I just kind of pull it so I can keep that knot nice and close to the edge, right against the end there. There you go, something like that. Let's cut this off too. Voila! Voila! So you want to add some type of stitching onto your paper as well.